problem statement is placement portal. We have to make a placement portal in which we have three main users, such as admin, which is the admin of the whole database, company, which can log in and view and create job listings, and a student, which can log in and see the job posting available on the portal right now. So first we will log in as an admin. For this, we have to firstly register ourselves as an admin. We have to provide a name, last name, first name, email ID, phone number, admin ID, and password is to register as an admin. So firstly, we will register as an admin. Like we will fill up the details, privacy policy, create an admin account. The profile as website says the registration is successful. Now this is our dashboard, admin portal dashboard, where we can view our name, RM Bharadwaj in this case, our application ID or admin ID, which is A02, as we have filled up the details. We can see the total number of students available on the portal. Right now, there is only one student. Total number of companies registered on the portal. Right now, there is 2 companies registered on the portal. Pending approvals for the job listings. Total placement drive which conducted by the companies, and pending drives, blacklisted drives, and blacklisted companies. Now, in the student portal, we can manage a student. Like in this case, our student name Soumya Bharadwaj is there on the portal, which the branch of the student, the active CGP of the student, or its and their status active or not active. We can view the full details of the student details section. Here we can view the details of the students. We can blacklist the student if we want. We can delete the record of the student, or we can edit the information of the students. Like second one is company, where we can manage the company like Google Gmail, Sundar Pichai verified. We can verify the companies and not verify the companies if they are active. And the third is placement. We can see the placement drive. We have to approve the placement drive. Like a company is creating a job posting, we have to approve by the admin first. Then the user or the student can view the placement drive happening in it or not. Second one is company login. Okay, we have to register it first. We have terms and conditions, then register the company. Profiles, our website says registering successfully. So here we can view our dashboard of the company dashboard. The total number of drives conducted by the company, total number of active drives, total number of pending approvals for the students, total number of applications received by the students, and shortlisted candidates. We can view the profile. We can view the company name, company's email address, industry which it belongs to, our company's email, our company's website, and total number of employees working in the company right now. Or our status, our verification status set pending approval, because our admin section is not approve this company's profile right now. We have to approve from the admin first. Let's create a placement drive. Let's say we have to hire a web developer. Or let's say description is frequent. Let's say description is HTML, CSS, Flask, Django, and JavaScript. Let's say package is suppose 9 LPA, and CTC, let's say it's 12 LPA. Now location is, let's say, Bengaluru, Karnataka. Let's say the branches eligible to apply for this is CSC and its specializations. Minimum CG requirement, let's say 7. Maximum number of applications can be over 100. Can be 10. Drive of the date, let's suppose, is 19/03/2026. And application deadline, let's suppose 19/04/2026. Now HR contact name, let's suppose John Smith. Save the drive. Now the admin has to approve this placement drive before it reaches to the student. So we have our application. So total number of drive conducted by this company is 1, and pending approval is also 1. So we have to log in as an admin and approve this drive so that the student can view this profile. So let's suppose admin at 1, 2, 3, 4. Now login. Now I can go to the company section. Then here it is seeking my approval to approve the Amazon at gmail.com. John Doe is our executive. We have to approve, reject, or blacklist the company. We have to approve the company so that the student can view this job listing on the portal. We have to approve it. The website says company approved successfully. Now, into our placement section, we have created a job listing named web developer, which salary package of 9 LP and CGPA cutoff of 7 in Bengaluru, Karnataka. We have to approve this job application so that the end user can see the company Amazon, and now the user can see the company Amazon on the portal, but did not apply to the did not see the job listing on the portal right now, because we have to approve the job listing too on the portal. So we have to approve this job listing. Now placement drive approved successfully, our website says. Now log out and register as a student. Suppose we have to register as a student, terms and conditions and privacy policy. Now create an account as a student. Now there is a student dashboard where we can find the total next opportunity, browse available approved job postings which are approved by the admin. the job listings which are approved by the admin are shown here. So check your eligibility instantly and apply directly from your dashboard. Here you can see your branch, CGPA, current CGPA, and year. You can edit your portfolio from here, but you cannot cannot edit your CGPA, as CGPA is a star dynamic criteria. So it is already approved. It can be changed by, but it requires admin approval. So CGPA is maintained by the admin of this portal. It's not by student, as student cannot change the CGPA. It is only changed by the admin approval. Here we can here we are back on the portal. We are eligible to apply for this AIML internship. So we have to apply on the internship. We have successfully applied for the internship. Now, what I have to do now is successfully apply for this internship, but we have to log in and apply for this, and the company can now see the applications available for this job. So like we forgot the Amazon password, we click on forgot password, select a role, company, amazon@gmail.com. Now we have to paste this URL into our browser so that we can reset the password, so that we can efficiently log into our portal. Like it's happened sometimes, like you forgot the password. That's why I've created this. Now go back and log in as Amazon.com with a new password. Now, here we can see the company's name, profile, email ID, verification as it says verified because our admin approved this company's company's portal job profile. Here we are your first job listing named as web developer is approved, and it has a salary package of 9 LP and location Bengaluru, Karnataka. Minimum CGPA is required is 7. Application has 0 out of 10 because we have not applied for the job. No one has applied for this job right now. So we have to edit it. Like we have to make a CGPA, minimum CGPA was 9 and says CGG CSE. Now save. Our application total number of students applied for the job will show here. Now log in. Now, here the company name Amazon, hiring for a web developer position. Drive ID is 3, company ID is 3, salary package offered is 9 LPA, and location is Bengaluru, Karnataka. Minimum CG required is 9 CG, and drive of this placement is 19/3/2026. Deadline is 19/4/2026. HR name is John Smith, branches are CSE, and the description of the job is HTML, CSS, Flask, Django, and JavaScript. Let's apply now. Now, status approved means admin approved the job listing. We have applied this job internship. So here it is saying you have already applied for this drive. Now log out and register as a company, amazon@gmail.com. Now log in as an RT. It says total number of drive conductor is 1, total number of active drives is 1, total number of applications is 1. Here applications, here go to application section. Now application ID is shown here, student ID is shown here, and student name is shown here. Now student email ID is shown here, roll number, CGPA, web developer, position, web developer, applied. We can update the section, like we have to say shortlisted. Now application marked as shortlisted. Now log out and view as a student. Now in my application section, we can see that our web developer position, roll number to application deadline and applied on, and here date and time is shown, is status shortlisted. It says. If we want, we can. So, for example, we have to see that you're selected for this job role. We can log in as a company and applications. Here, the student name Manga Sharma is applied for this job web developer position. He is shortlisted. Now we have to select him. So let's say we have to select. Now the application mark is selected. Now the user portal is seeing that the user name Pankaj Sharma is seeing that the application is approved and selected. Then similarly, if I have to reject the student, we have to simply select reject option and it says rejected. So log out as a student, log in as a student, log out as a company. Now it says you are applied on 13/20/2016, but its status says rejected, and he applied for another job named AIML intern position. Role number is same, application deadline remains changed, and applied on remains changed. It says applied, but the Amazon one says rejected. So it is a simple model by where we can easily manage our job portal listings in admin, company, and student forms. It is a 3 login project by which we can see, or we can able to learn about a front end, back end, and a full stack experience in a very efficient manner. Thank you.